How to add second account in Facebook. So if you want to add second account in Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Now you might actually tell me that if you tap on this little drop down arrow icon and you see a couple of these profiles and this is the option to add second account. Well, unfortunately no, because Facebook actually removed the way to add account this way. This is only to create some of the profiles, and these are some of the accounts that are linked to your Facebook account. So to add a second account on Facebook, we will scroll down and we will first of all log out of our current account. If it asks you to save the information, make sure that you save the info so for easy access next time. Then you can simply tap on login to another account. Then over here you can simply go ahead and then basically enter the new mobile number or the email address of the account that you want to log in with. Then after that you'll see those multiple accounts here, and from here you can simply switch between the accounts that you want to log into. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add second account in Facebook. I hope that this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.